Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun in the solar system, with a distance of about 0.39 times that of the distance between the Sun and Earth. Despite its name, Mercury has a dark color because its surface is covered with graphite. According to scientists, Mercury was once a scorching planet covered in magma. However, over millions of years, the surface gradually cooled, and it is believed that a layer resembling graphite up to 1 kilometer thick covered Mercury. Recent research reports that there was a major volcanic activity on Mercury 3.5 billion years ago, after which it became a quiet planet. Mercury's surface is covered with countless craters, much like the Moon. Mercury has almost no atmosphere, so even small celestial bodies can create craters upon impact. Since there has been no significant geological activity on Mercury since its formation, craters are believed to remain without being erased. Mercury's internal structure is similar to that of Earth, with a mantle inside the crust covering the surface, and further inside, a core made of metal is believed to exist. The diameter of the entire core is about 4,000 kilometers, occupying 85% of Mercury's volume. Therefore, despite Mercury's diameter being about 4,900 kilometers, less than half of Earth's, its density is surprisingly close to that of Earth. It remains a mystery why a molten metal core exists inside Mercury, which is the smallest planet in the solar system and should have cooled and solidified easily. One theory suggests that because it was formed near the Sun, it resulted in a high concentration of heavy elements centered around iron. Furthermore, it is said that the low-density outer shell was destroyed by large-scale collisions with primitive planet-class celestial bodies, causing it to fly away. Mercury's temperature is 430 degrees Celsius during the day and minus 180 degrees Celsius at night. There is a temperature difference of about 600 degrees between day and night, making it a planet with extremely large temperature fluctuations. Mercury has deep craters near the poles where the Sun does not shine, creating permanent shadows. The temperature is kept below minus 100 degrees Celsius, confirming the presence of ice. Mercury has an orbital period of about 88 days and a rotational period of 58.6 days, rotating only 1.5 times while orbiting the Sun once. One day on Mercury is 176 days, with 88 days of daylight and 88 days of night. Thus, although one day on Mercury is 176 days in Earth time, a year is about 88 days, resulting in the strange phenomenon of a day being longer than a year. Mercury's orbit and rotation are in a 3-to-2 resonance relationship. That is, it rotates 3 times while orbiting the Sun twice. It is believed that shortly after its birth, Mercury rotated at a speed of about 8 hours, and gradually slowed down due to the tidal force of the Sun, eventually reaching its current stable synchronous state. However, why it became a 3-to-2 ratio is still a mystery. If you were to stand in a specific location on the surface of Mercury, you would see a mysterious phenomenon that Earthlings have never experienced, where the Sun appears to rise, reverse its direction, set once, and then rise again during sunrise. Mercury has been one of the least understood planets in the solar system, but currently, JAXA and the European Space Agency, ESA, are jointly advancing the Mercury Exploration Project BEPI, Colombo. It is expected that this exploration will reveal the true nature of the mysterious Mercury.